Okay, in this example, I'm going to add one more parameter to the screen. So let's run the main again. The next thing I want to do is I want to add in the cuisine. Okay, so let's first go to Scene Builder. And let's do that. Let me close everything here first. I'll close all. Open this up in Scene Builder. I'll drag this up a little just to get some more real estate. Drag these two down to get more real estate too. And just make sure you have enough room. And I'll actually increase the screen size too. And that should give me more room. And I'll do the grade. The grade will be the first parameter. And I'm going to grab these two guys, do a Control C and then a Control V to copy it. And that's the copy right there. So I highlighted both of them. I'll put in here cuisine. Let's put a tech. And this should be TXT cuisine. Okay. That looks about right. I think they're all equally separated. Now let's save that. Let's go to the view. Let's go to show sample controller. Add in the cuisine, which is right here. Let's do Control C, grab that. Close this now that we're finished with it. Let's open this up. Let's do Control Shift F just to format it and get the latest version into memory within Eclipse. Let's go to the controller and let's add the text box cuisine here. Save it. Let's run it just to see if it came up. Again, of course, it's not going to work yet, but we just want to see the visual. Good. So I want to be able to do a search on the grade and then, of course, cuisine. That's the goal. Okay. Now let's look at the actual, database schema. And cuisine is right here. It's called cuisines. All right. So let's go to the DAO. Let's just see if get it to work on the DAO first. Okay. And I'm only going to be able to do one cuisine at a time for now. So we'll just call it cuisine. And of course, you want this to get a cuisine coming in from the outside world. Okay. Now this is complaining because we haven't used cuisine yet. So let's do another if statement here. We're going to do if grade equals no, in fact, we don't need that. We just need to add in the operand for clean. So we're going to say here doc append. This has to be the valid name that's on the field. So we're going to say here cuisine, which is a database field, comma, plus this variable that gets us the cuisine. Let's just save that to see if that brings us anything. It's not going to be perfect, but it should do something. In fact, one more thing we need to do. The same way that we get the cuisine here, we'll have to get the cuisine over there. We're going to say string grade. Cuisine is equal to txt cuisine get text, and then let's add another entry here. This entry will be the cuisine that we're getting out. That will then pass it into the DAO, the data access object, and return us based on cuisine and grade. Let's run it. Let's do an A here, and let's do love Chinese food. So let's click here on Chinese. And that did not work. Okay, so in the next video, we'll debug it to see why this combination didn't work yet. Let me see, Z and Chinese. Okay, so something, of course, I'm doing wrong. All right, so we'll try that in the next video and we'll fix that.